You could be fined $11,000 for hiring someone to photograph aerial shots for you. Wait, what? Wait, what? Say that again? $11,000? Yeah, it's somewhat common knowledge that the operator of a drone for commercial purposes, that includes someone you are paying to photograph your listing or personal house or event or product for that matter, without a license can result in civil penalties of up to $1,100 per occurrence from the FAA for that drone operator. However, it is a lesser known fact that you can be fined for hiring someone without an FAA license. Ignorance is not a defense for this either, as the FAA puts the burden of verification squarely on the burden of the client. It's incredibly easy for the FAA, if they choose to get real mean, just go through the MLS and look for aerial photograph and give a call to the agent to ask who photographed that. Folks, the easiest way to avoid these issues is to call me, Eric Kovshinikov. I'm a local Southern California real estate broker, but I contract, photograph, and do aerial photography services for many other agents and brokers all through Southern California. I've been a commercial photographer for 28 plus years and a licensed FAA drone pilot since 2020. If you do decide to go with your own photographer, you need to ask them 4 specific questions. Ask to see their pilot's FAA remote drone pilot's license. That's that part 107. Ask your photographer for a certificate of insurance. And here is a lesser known fact, and this one's going to be hard for you guys. Ask the pilot whether she will require any part 107 waiver. If you are by an airport or close to restricted airspace, that may take up to 90 days to get. Give them a call right away. And fourthly, ask the pilot about their safety and their experience. Call me. It's the easiest way to do this. Real estate agents, I'm talking to you. Real estate brokers, I'm talking to you. I look forward to hearing from you.